everybody, welcome back to Puppy Tips. So today I'm going to be showing some more puppy tips. I have a special guest, Aunt Karen.
Hello everybody.
So Aunt Karen, tell us a good puppy tip you know.
Well, never stick your finger in their mouth or you'll get bit. That's a good one.
Yeah, I'm not, no offense to anybody that the dumbest people know that. I'm not saying you're dumb, but...
You're so funny.
Really?
What am I gonna do with you?
I don't know. Hey, I want to tell you something. I'm just starting the YouTube channel, so sorry if the camera's kind of not at the right angle. Oh, my hair's a mess. I can't protect you.
Say cancel this one. You have to get up there and get it set, get your camera set, and then say,
Hey, Karen, I'm filming.
You're filming me? Why in the world are you filming me?
Hey.
Puppy tips. Never give a puppy a bath in the house.
Bye, everybody.
They'll splash everywhere.
And here's another tip, a secret tip. Never try to paint its fingernails when it's first born.